Hi everybody and welcome back. Well, I just know you've finished all of your Thanksgiving plans and are ready to start thinking about the wines that you want to serve with your menu. Or if you're a guest who is going to take a nice bottle of wine, that's what we're going to talk about today. Because we all have certain wines that we like with our turkey and dressing, and it's not always a Chardonnay and it's not always a Pinot Grigio. Sometimes it's a Beaujolais. Our first choice of wines for Thanksgiving dinner would probably be a Chardonnay or Pinot Grigio. However, if you are a red wine lover, then I suggest a Beaujolais. And Beaujolais are available year-round. Usually most wine stores have a pretty good selection. However, the Beaujolais Nouveau is only released from France on the third Thursday of November, and that's perfect for we Americans who are celebrating Thanksgiving and just in time for the Beaujolais, or the Beaujolais is just in time for Thanksgiving, because it has kind of a bright berry flavor. I would say maybe like a little bit of strawberry and cherry, and that pairs beautifully with Thanksgiving turkey and dressing. Like most red wines, you want to let the wine breathe, so you open the bottle a little ahead of time of serving. I would say at least a half an hour ahead of time, and an hour is even better. And of course you can pour it slowly and let it aerate, and that will release a lot more flavor. And also, if you use an aerator, that is also helpful because you want as much flavor as possible from your wines. And this is not a full-bodied wine like a Cabernet, so it's not going to have that really heavy flavor to begin with, but aerating it will release a lot more flavor. Beaujolais are made from the Gamay grapes in the Beaujolais area of France, and they don't have a lot of tannins, so you want to serve them chilled slightly under room temperature, maybe 55 degrees or so, unlike a Cabernet that you would serve at room temperature. This one that I just poured is it's Barton and Goustier. It's a pretty good wine, and all of these are affordable. So some Beaujolais can get pricey, but these I'm showing are pretty affordable. This one has a lot more deep flavors. And it's much smoother. This is a Beaujolais. This is not a Beaujolais Nouveau. These two are Beaujolais Nouveau. So a smoother flavor would be the Beaujolais. These are more fun to experiment with. This is the, and I'm going to pronounce these incorrectly, but I'll put the name below, and it's the Georges Duchoff Vineyard, and it has a much brighter flavor than the Beaujolais. This bottle is the Jean-Claude Debeune, D-E-B-E-A-U-N-E. And let's see how this one tastes. I haven't poured it yet. Look at that bright color, burgundy color. That's a little tart, but that tartness is what you want with your turkey and dressings, and maybe hams as well. I would not serve any of these with beef. If you're going to have beef, I certainly would serve a Cabernet, but these are a bright flavor that's going to be just wonderful. Well, we're going to have a lot of wines to finish, but I do suggest that you serve a variety of Beaujolais, Beaujolais Nouveau, and enjoy the conversation that's generated about the wines and food pairings. And enjoy your food, enjoy your wine, and enjoy your company, and I wish you a happy Thanksgiving.